So just done the LC200 fan upgrade on here. So you just got to cut out the mesh, of course, so you can get these big fans in. Little tiny bit of cutting out at the rear there. We bolt directly to the intercooler as well. We want nothing moving, so nothing moves. Nothing's going to ever play up and rub, and after doing these for about 4 or 5 years, we haven't seen one yet. In fact, we haven't seen any fans die yet. When they're top mounted, they don't get as hot. When they're underneath, they're copping that intercooler heat, which could be 100 degrees. And a couple of relays chucked in down the back here, screwed in and wired up, so they've got an earth. Picked up our power in here, and underneath the fuse box there's a couple of white wires in there that stand out like a tree on a hill. One of them is ignition. We wired it up for ignition switching. So when we turn this thing on, away she goes. We'll turn them on, have a listen. So that's pretty much it, job done. Allow yourself 2 or 3 hours to fit them up, and away you go. This thing will be running a lot cooler, tow a lot better in this hot summer that's ahead of us. It's probably 30 degrees here at Berrima today. So if you want some more information, keep watching our YouTubes, Facebook, Instagram, or look us up, Tech Help at berrimadiesel.com.